Hello, this is Baby Ramana, teacher in English. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic transitive verb versus intransitive verb. Well, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. What is transitive verbs? What are transitive verbs? What are intransitive verbs? The verbs with direct objects are called transitive verbs. Look at this example. I drink milk. Here milk is the direct object. So drink is called transitive verb. I called him. Him is the direct object. So called is the transitive verb. I gave him a pen. Here we have the direct object a pen. So gave is the transitive verb. In this way, if we find the verbs with direct objects, then those verbs are called transitive verbs. On the other hand, if you don't find verbs with direct objects, that means the verbs without direct objects or the verbs with objects to prepositions, then those verbs are called intransitive verb. Look at this example. I wake up early. Here there is no object at all. No direct object, no indirect object. I sleep on bed. Here there is no direct object. It refers to him. Here him is the object, but it is an object to the preposition to. So here when we find the verbs without direct objects or when we find the verbs with the objects to a prepositions, those verbs are called intransitive verbs. So transitive verbs means the verbs which are seen with direct objects. That means the transitive verbs are found like this: verb plus direct object. Intransitive verbs means the verbs which are not seen with direct objects. That means verb minus direct objects are called intransitive verbs. Look at these examples. Ramu sings songs. Here direct object is there. So this is transitive verb. Ramu sings well. Here there is no direct object. So it is intransitive verb. I bought a car. I can drive it. Here after drive it is there. Object is there. So it is called transitive. I bought a car but I cannot drive. Here after drive there is no direct object. So it is called intransitive verb. Like this, I heard this song. Song is the direct object. So it is transitive verb. I listened to this song. Here it is an object but not direct object. It is object to the preposition to. So it is intransitive verb. Come and eat an apple. An apple is the object. So it is intransitive verb. Here come and eat. There is no direct object after eat. So it is called intransitive verb. I studied English. English is the direct object. So studied is the transitive verb. I studied at AU. Here there is no direct object. So studied here is the intransitive verbs. In this way, if verbs are seen with direct objects, then those verbs are called transitive verbs. If the verbs are not seen with the direct objects, they are called intransitive verbs. Or if the verbs are seen with the objects to the preposition, those verbs are also called intransitive verbs. Here are some more examples. I like to forgive him. Him is the direct object. So forgive is the transitive verb. I like to forgive. There is no direct object. So it is intransitive. He closes the school at 6 p.m. This is closes is the intransitive verb because the school is the direct object. The school closes at 6 p.m. Here there is no direct object. So it is called intransitive verbs. In this way, look at this. I climbed the mountain. Here mountain is the direct object, so climbed is the transitive verb. I climbed up the mountain. Here preposition has come before this object. So this is called intransitive. So this is object to the preposition. So it is called intransitive verb. I walk the dog in the morning. So dog is the object. So it is called transitive. I walk in the morning. There is no object, direct object after walk. So it is called intransitive verb. They put the books down for a while. After put there is direct object. So it is called transitive verb. He looks after the parents. Parents are the object, but it is only after preposition. That means this is the object to the preposition. So there is no direct object. So this verb is the looks here is called intransitive verb. Like that, he laughed a malicious laugh. A malicious laugh is the direct object, so it is transitive one. He laughed heartily. There is no direct object here, so laughed here is the intransitive verb. You have to help yourself. Yourself is the acts. Yourself acts as object, so it is transitive. And let us help. Help is the intransitive verb because after this there is no object. In this way, if there is direct object after a verb, the verb is called transitive. If there is no direct object after a verb, the verb is called intransitive. Even if an object is found, if the object is object to a preposition, then that cannot be counted. Only direct object should be counted. If a verb has an object, that object is an object to the preposition, then the verb is called intransitive verb. Look at this. He said that he was found. He said that he is found means he said it that. Here it is there in disguise. So it is called transitive verb. He said to him. Him is object is there, but it is to the object to the preposition. So it is intransitive verb. He runs a business. Object is there, direct object. So it is transitive. He runs fast. There is no direct object here. So runs is here intransitive. He eats apples. This is transitive because apples are the direct object. And he eats sensibly. There is no direct object here. So here eats is called intransitive verb. He is cooking the rice. The rice is the object. So it is called transitive verb. The rice is cooking. Here after cooking there is no object, so it is here intransitive verb. In this way, if there is no direct object after a verb, then it is called intransitive. If there is a direct object is there after a verb, then the verb is said to be transitive verb. Look at these examples. Identify transitive and intransitive verbs. Here invited, transitive, have transitive, and belonged intransitive because here object is there, but it is an object to the preposition, and it is transitive. Here it is intransitive because there is no direct object beside it, and intransitive there is no direct object here, and transitive there is direct object here help. Found transitive because there is a direct object keys. To sum up, the verbs with direct objects are called transitive verbs like this. The verbs without direct objects are called intransitive verbs, and also the verbs with objects to prepositions are also called intransitive verbs like this sentence. Well friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. Namaste.